I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place.
So welcome to the most beautiful and aesthetic home screen setup tutorial of 2022, and the best thing is it can be applied on any Android device. So with that being said, let's get started. Now let's talk about all the things we need for this setup. The very first is this classy wallpaper. Then Repro Icon Pack. This application is paid one, but you will get the free download link in the video's description. After that, KWGT Custom Widget Maker along with HUK KWGT. And the last one is Nova Launcher, which is the most important. You will get link of all the applications and wallpaper in the description of this video. I have used this setup on the base launcher of OnePlus, but I have attached the same layout backup file of Nova Launcher too. So first you have to install all the applications which I mentioned above. Now apply the downloaded wallpaper in a symmetrical manner. After that, open Nova Launcher and import the backup file. It will automatically scan for the backup file from your storage, and then the layout will be loaded automatically. Now what you have to do is to change the icon pack to RevPro. You will find this option in look and feel section of your Nova settings. In case if importing the backup file gets failed, then reboot your phone and try the process again. Once you are done with the importing process, you have to set up the widgets. So click on the widgets one by one and then browse the HUK KWGT widgets and select the widget you want. Also scale it accordingly, and if you want to edit text of the widget, you can do that too. For editing the text of a widget, click on the widget, then under stack group option, edit the text you want, and after that save the widget. So that's all for now, and this is how you can set up this mesmerizing home screen setup on your device. Link of all the downloadables is given below in the video's description, and if you're having any doubt about this video, then make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. So if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.